Hey guys, I'm David Monk, after school STEAM educator with Children's Museum Houston. Today's educator moment is brought to you by Chevron. Today's activity is an electromagnetic DIY motor. Materials you'll need are a D-cell battery and D-cell battery holder, 2 alligator conductors, some copper wire, uninsulated, and you'll need to coil it and leave some room on the ends, 4 to 6 magnets, 2 jumbo paper clips, some tape, and a plastic cup. So the first thing you'll do for your DIY motor is you'll take your 2 jumbo paper clips and unfold one end so they look like this. The next step is you'll take your tape and you'll tape them to the top of your plastic cup. Make sure the top side is facing down. Once you're here, you'll take your magnets and you'll put 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. After that, you'll take the copper coil that you made and place it inside of the jumbo paper clips that you've taped to the top of your cup. You'll want to make sure that there's about 1 centimeter or 2 from the copper coil and the magnets. Once your DIY motor looks like this, you'll take your alligator conductors and connect one to one paper clip and one to the other side. Then you'll connect the ends to your D-cell battery holder with your D-cell battery inserted. And then you'll move things around, the magnets, the paper clips, until the motor starts to spin freely. And there you have it. That's your DIY electromagnetic motor. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this educator moment. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.